Right, welcome parents, welcome students, okay, pupils. This is how to check your CBT exam, okay, or CBT test once you've been sent CBT test to do, okay. This particular lecture tells us how to check or how to answer our questions, our CBT questions, okay. And it's quite simple. First things first, you have to log in. So I'm going to use someone's login details and I'm logging in. Okay. Now, once you've logged in, you will see here that you have CBT here written. CBT score. You haven't taken any CBT score. That means you have to check. And of course, if you look up here, like, did you see the CBT module here? Okay. As a child or as a pupil, this is where you assess your CBT questions. And then when you click on it, it takes you to the CBT platform. Of course, you need to put in your details again. This is for security. You put in your details again and then you log in. It will take you to the CBT platform. Yes. And once you've entered the CBT platform, you will see that you have a, a particular CBT test to be carried out, to be done. This is where you see it. Can you see it? This is your student information. Can you see your CBT test here? When you come here, you see the ones that your teacher has sent. Okay. Now you see new on top of it. So when you click on ICT shortcut, because that's the one that I created, so you click on it, it will take you to a place where you can answer your questions. Okay, so your time will be here. Okay, your time will be here, and of course the number of your time will be here. It's timing you. The number of questions you are to answer is here 1 and 2, and then you need to answer before the time runs out, because if you don't, it's going to submit it for you and it may not submit all of them for you properly. Now, as you can see, the options are here. It says question 1, 2 plus 5. We all know that's 7, okay? But you have to calculate properly before picking an answer. So after doing that, you click on next to take the next question. Okay, can you see next here? You click on next. Now, the next question says, what is the name of the object below? Oh, sorry. What is the name of the object above? That's what's supposed to be. And then you have to pick the object. That is a ball. You can see the C ball. You pick the radio button for ball. Okay. And then after that, you have to click on the number 2 here. Click on the last one once you've gotten there to show that you have picked it. And then you click on submit. If I submit now, it will show me my score. So I'll click on submit. And of course, when you click on submit, scroll down. It will ask, or scroll up. So are you sure you want to submit? Clicking yes will submit the exam. So you click yes if you want to submit. You click no if you want to check further. So I can click no, and then I'll go back to number 1, which I have done, to see, oh, did I really write the right, did I really pick the right option? And then I can go to number 2, okay, just picking them one by one. Number 2, did I really pick the right option? And I'm done. And then I can then click submit. Scroll back up, clicking yes will submit the exam, and I click yes. Of course, you can see it has showed me my answer because 2 plus 5 is 7. And of course, the object there was a ball. That means you are done with your CBT test. And then you can click log out. Okay, very simple and easy to use. Okay, and of course, the moment you've clicked log out, your teacher will automatically see your score. Okay, that's very good. All right. Or if you didn't get the video, you can watch the video. If you didn't get the lesson, you can watch the video one more time and then you get it very well. Okay, all right. Thank you very much. Take good care of yourself.